Hello. So today we're going to calculate the LCM of three numbers. Least common multiple, or LCM, is a very common question in KCPE. We're going to use the prime factorization method. This requires that we remember our prime numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. Prime numbers are numbers that are divisible by 1 and themselves only. So we're going to work with three numbers for which we're going to find the LCM. And the numbers are 3, 12, 36. So we want to find the LCM of 3, 12, and 36 using prime factorization. So in this column here, we're going to be writing the prime numbers. We're going to start with the smallest prime number, growing up until we have solved the LCM of the three numbers. However, we're not going to use 1 as a prime number because 1 certainly will divide through all the three numbers. So we're going to start with 2. So we shall write here 2. Now, this is how the method works. For each of the three numbers, you have to look and determine whether that number is divisible by the prime number you've written on this column without leaving a remainder. So for this case, is 3 divisible by 2 without leaving a remainder? The answer is no. Okay, so we write in this box, we just write 3. So any number that's not divisible by the prime number we are working with is retained as is. So we come to this box. Is 12 divisible by 2? Yes, it gives us 6. 36 divided by 2 gives us 18. Now we check through the new numbers to see if any of them is divisible by the same prime number we are working with. So we see that 6 and 18 are divisible by 2. So in this box here, we write 2 and we repeat the same thing. We see that 3 is not divisible by 2, so we retain 3. 6 is divisible by 2 indeed, so we get 3. And 18 divided by 2 gives us 9. Now we look through, are any of these numbers divisible by 2, this prime number? The answer is no. So we move to the next prime number, which is 3. And we look through, dividing through by 3. So if we divide 3 by 3, we get 1, then we get 1, and 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. Okay, so we check through again and see if any of the numbers are divisible by the prime number we are working with. We see that 3 is divisible by 3. So in this box here, we write 3 and we divide through. We'll find that we are left with ones all through. Once you're left with ones at the bottom, it means you've reached the end. So you can now calculate the LCM of the three numbers by multiplying the prime numbers that you found here. So in this case, the LCM of 3, 12, and 36 will be equal to 36. That is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 gives us 36, as shown up here. 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, that gives us the LCM of the three numbers, which is 36.